Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 H-Case. I want to give a huge shout out to Trinity County for sending me this case. But if you're in the US, you can also buy this case from A&J Toys. I put both of their links in the description below if you want to order from them. So let's open this case up and see what's inside. The Super for the case is an Audi, and the regular is a Chevy Camaro. So the first cars of the case are the Skydome, the Motosaurus, and the Twin Mill Gen E. And then also the Skydome is for the Olympic, because you can see on the side it says Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 right here. Then we have the Dune It Up, the High Beam, and the 64 Chevy Nova Wagon. This is also from the Tokyo Olympic Series. Then we have the BMW K1300R, the 96 Porsche Carrera, and the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. This is the regular. Then we have another Skydome, a Duck and Roll, and an 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Next is a Pixel Shaker, the 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, and an 8 crate. This looks really cool with the white wall tires. Then we have the 17 Nissan GTR. This is the regular, but the Super would be found last case. The Power Rocket, and the 52 Hudson Hornet. Then we have the Skate Grom. This is from the Tokyo 2020 again. Power Rocket, and Hyper Rocker. Then we have the 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. This is a treasure hunt. You can see right here. Then also on the back. The 76 Greenwood Corvette, and another Pixel Shaker. Then we have a Honda S2000, 91 GMC Cyclone, and a Custom 71 El Camino. Then we have an RV There Yet, a Robo Race Robo Car, and a 68 Chevy Nova, now in red. Then we have another 17 Nissan GTR R35, the regular, the Heavy Hitcher, and the 2 Jet Z. Last cars of the first half are another 2 Jet Z, another 76 Greenwood Corvette, and a Lindster prototype. Now in the second half, first cars are the Jaguar XJ220, the 68 Dodge Dart, and the custom Ford Maverick. Then we have a McLaren P1. The color on this is super nice. The 91 GMC Cyclone, and the Hyper Rocker. Then we have an 85 Honda City Turbo 2, another Dune It Up, and a Nerve Hammer. Then we have an Iron Motors Thresher, Total Disposal, and another McLaren P1. Then we have another Duck and Roll, a Chrysler Pacifica, and a 52 Hudson Hornet. Then we have a Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, a 2Jet Z, and a 19 Corvette Zero Run convertible. Then we have a Bone Shaker, a Cool One, and a Volvo 850 Estate. Getting to the bottom of the case, you have a custom El Camino, a 70 Dodge Power Wagon, and a 96 Porsche Carrera. Next is another Porsche Panamera, a 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, and a bat plane. Then we have the Rockin' Santa Sled, the 85 Honda City Turbo 2, and the Cool One. Then we have an 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, custom Ford Maverick, and a 19 convertible 01 19 Corvette 01 convertible. And the last cars of the case are the Lindster Prototype, the HW Formula Solar, and the Party Wagon. I did not get the Supra in my case, but here's what the Supra would look like. So you can see on the card, it's not that big of a difference, just the darker red and the lighter red, and these wheels are more spread apart and these aren't. If you're in a darker area, it might be hard to tell on the card, but then just look at the car, because you can see this has deep dish rims and this has regular rims. And then basically the only other difference is on the back. It says 25TH right here. I was hoping to get the Datsun Bluebird 510 with the Momo livery, but it wasn't in my case. But my favorite cars to set are the High Beam, Skydome, and Skate Chrome. These are all from the Olympic Games Tokyo 2020. And since there's 3, I'm expecting 7 more to come from this year. The Party Wagon. This is super cool with the Ninja Turtles design on it. The 8 Crate. Like I mentioned earlier, this is super cool with the white wall tires. 91 GMC Cyclone. This was showed off at a recent convention. The 70 Dodge Power Wagon. I'm sure a lot of collectors will go after this one. The McLaren P1. This is a really cool car, and to see it in this teal color looks even better. The Honda S2000. I'm sure a lot of collectors will go after this one too. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Looks pretty cool with the dark blue and then the same color rims. The Jaguar XJ220. This is cool in this dark teal. The 19 Corvette 01 convertible. This is cool in this bright orange. The 2013 Hot Wheels Chevy Camaro Special Edition. This is a really cool treasure hunt in my opinion. And the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, even though it's not the Super, still looks pretty cool. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite cars are out of this 2020 H case.